In this video, I have uploaded a few MCQ on lesson 4 Kindness of class 7. You must practice this MCQ so that you can answer the questions correctly. ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰী সকল তোমালোকৰ হাফ ইয়াৰলিত আহিবলগীয়া লেসন 1 2 3 4 গুটেই কেইটাৰে MCQ উলিয়াই মই ইতিমধ্যে মোৰ চেনেলত আপলোড কৰিছো আৰু গুটেই কোৰ্সটো গ্ৰামাৰৰ সৈতে পাবৰ কাৰণে মোৰ চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি লবা So let's start the video. Question 1. This question came in 2022 and 2023. How many Kashmiri vendors arrive at the city? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. The correct answer is option B 2. Question 2. This question came in 2022 and 2024. The author's brother-in-law was option A kind, option B cruel, option C angry, option D funny. The correct answer is option A kind. Question 3. This question came in 2023. Who was kind? Option A author, option B author's brother-in-law, option C author's sister, option D vendors. The correct answer is option B author's brother-in-law. Question 4. This question came in 2023. The Kashmiri vendors come to the city in option A the summer season, option B the winter season, option C the rainy season, option D the spring season. The correct answer is option B the winter season. Question 5. This question came in 2023. Kashmiri vendors come to the city from option A Bihar, option B Delhi, option C Kashmir, option D Nagaland. The correct answer is option C Kashmir. Question 6. This question came in 2024. The author's brother-in-law invited the Kashmiri vendors to his house because option A he wanted to buy Kashmiri shawls, option B he wanted to offer food to them, option C he wanted to make fun of them, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B he wanted to offer food to them. Question 7. This question came in 2024. The word vendor means option A seller, option B buyer, option C player, option D dancer. The correct answer is option A seller. Question 8. The writer was surprised because option A his brother-in-law refused to see the vendors wear. Option B his brother-in-law refused to give the vendors even a glass of water. Option C his brother-in-law called the vendors in. Option D his brother-in-law bought the products of the vendors. The correct answer is option C his brother-in-law called the vendors in. Question 9. The Kashmiri vendors do not sell option A handcrafted shawls, option B purses, option C blankets, option D furniture. The correct answer is option D furniture. Question 10. Which of the following is not done by the writer's brother-in-law? Option A he began examining the vendors, shawls and short jackets. Option B he started chatting with the vendors about their families and their homeland. Option C he asked his wife to serve the vendors something to eat. Option D he didn't offer the vendors any food. The correct answer is option D he did not offer the vendors any food. Question 11. Which of the following is not done by the Kashmiri vendors? Option A they stay at cheap hotels. Option B they force people to buy their wear. Option C they roam around the city streets all day. Option D they are bent with the load on their backs. The correct answer is option B they force people to buy their wear. Question 12. Who brought some food into the veranda for the Kashmiri vendors? Option A the author, option B the author's brother-in-law, option C the author's sister, option D the author's mother. The correct answer is option C the author's sister. Class 7 কাৰণে দৰকাৰী ভিডিঅ'ৰ লিংক বিলাক মই ডেসক্ৰিপচন বক্সত দি দিছো তাত গৈ তোমালোকে ভিডিঅ'বোৰ চাবা আৰু তোমালোকৰ ফ্ৰেণ্ডক ভিডিঅ'বোৰ শেয়াৰ কৰি দিবা Thank you all.